What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to make awesome cinematic B-roll video in mobile phone without gimbal. I am using my iPhone SE second generation to shoot the video. So bhaiya ji, watch the full video and learn how to make cinematic video in anywhere. At first open your camera setting and use 4K 24 fps. It will give more motion blur compared to other. If you do not have 4K option, use 1080p and 24 fps. Use grid line for perfect framing. For slow motion, use high efficiency. I am using 1080p at 240 fps option. And always turn off the smart HDR option. And last, go to formats and select the most compatible option. After completing the camera setting, let's go to the field and shoot the cinematic video. Tips number 1. Always use manual controls and adjust your camera setting to control the motion and lighting sensitivity. I have used slow motion features for smooth motion for reducing the camera shake. You can also see the result. Tips number 2. Focus and composition. Always compositional techniques such as the rule of thirds, leading lines and symmetry to create the visual appealing shot. Focus to the nearest subject and lock it. Adjust the exposure, it will look awesome. Before recording, always remember the perfect framing. Adjust the frame according to your visuals and grid lines and start recording. Tips number 3. Lighting. Utilize the natural lighting to create the mood and dimension. Avoid the harsh shadows and overexposure highlights. The best time to shoot the cinematic video is during the golden hour, early morning or late afternoon, when the light is softer and warmer. Tips number 4. Use the surrounding to make the cinematic video. Everywhere is cinematic, you just need to bend the real world into the very beautiful way. I have used this tree to make the cinematic video. I have just adjusted the frame and locked the focus and moved slowly to the downwards. You can also see the results. It is Tips number 5. Depth of field. You can create a solo depth of field by getting closer to your subject and keep the background farther away from it. It will look more blurry background. And last tips is editing. After shooting, use video editing app to cut, arrange and enhance your footage. Add transactions, title and music to enhance the cinematic feel.
Beautiful things don't ask for attention.
Use video editing app to adjust the color, contrast, saturation to achieve the desired cinematic style. If you want to know more about cinematic video editing, comment below. I will make next video in this topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching our video. If you want more video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell.